Hi, happy Independence Day to everyone. So, today is a special day. So, I'm sharing with you one of my secret technique. How to book profit when you are in a trending market and you are already profitable in a trade. You know what a retail and noise trader do a big mistake when they are in profit, they book very early. And when they are in loss, they carry on very long. So they take very huge loss and they take very less profit as compared to it. So, as my experience, how we know where we have to book profit is not come down by our level. If you buy at 10 point any option, 10 price of 10, it maybe go to 100, 200, 300, 500, 1000. Who know it? So if you buy the Nifty, it go to 100 point up and down in our side, 200 and 300, same in like that. So in generally, it's very difficult when to exit from a profitable trade with handsome profit. And you should not regret it. Okay, let's go forward to it. So I'm not saying this to you is working 100%, but is working 90% of time. So I show you with the example, and this is special video for Independence Day. So let's go and see. Like we are talking the how to book good profit in a profitable trade. So we are going to take example of 14 August 2020. So we go to Nifty. So if you short a Nifty here, when it's crossed the 8-day moving average or 8-day moving exponential average, if anybody takes short trade near to CPR, that we will talk some other day. Okay, what is CPR and pivot? So you have to book profit where you have to book profit by this when body of a candle cross this line, 8 moving average and 8 moving exponential average. When body of a candle cross this is not cross here, is weak is touching here, weak and shadow you not count in the body of a candle. So we go and see it is try to touch is a corner, is not it. And first, okay, we have to find it here. So if you using the moving average only, you have to book profit here. So you almost, grab a lot of point. And if using exponential, you have to book your profit here. So it's up to you which one you want to use in this. But according to my experience, if you're using in options, so you have to use 8-day moving exponential. And if you are using in index, so you have to use just moving average. So this is, a good way to book good profit, and you should not regret on it. Okay, like if you ride this trade from here, so you have to grab all the profit in your pocket. Now we go to Bank Nifty, and the Bank Nifty is today again. This is the chart of 5-minute chart of 14 August 2020. And the time is 1:35 approx. It start falling from here. So anybody can took the trade from here when it's crossed the moving average or near to pivot level, and CPR is also very near to it. CPR is near to 250 and 300, 270 approx. 22,270 approx CPR. So it's going down and down. Okay, nobody is crossing it. You see it. Is again and again you see, and you have to book your profit first here, and exponential person are here. So it's work on 5-minute chart, maybe other time frame also, but I'm doing the trade on 5-minute chart, so I have experience about it. Rest you can check on your time frame. Okay. So you can see this is Nifty 50 charts. We go to earlier trade also, other day. This is 13 August. If you write here where you have to book your profit, you have to book your profit here. So you also grab a good point. So we are going to other day also, you can check. If you are long here on that 20 August 12:30, where you should exit, you have to exit here. It will tell you every time, and it work most of time. And most of people make this big mistake. You can recover your mistake, and you are a good profitable after it. Because when you are right, you grab good profit. When you are wrong, your stop loss will take care for you. So you found edge in that trading by this. This is one way. So you have to learn a lot about it. Like if you are here, this is 12:10 on 6 August. If you ride here, where you have to exit, you have to exit here. So this is good to you. And I hope this is not a gap up. Yes, no, it's a gap up. Like here, if anybody short here, where he have to book the profit, he have to book profit here. So it's work everywhere. Bullish and bearish market. If you buy here, okay, where you have to sold it, you have to exit from position here. So it's the very good technique I'm sharing with you. Okay. So in Independence Day, and you have to do promise to yourself. Okay, you take only disciplined trade by your comfortable zone. Not you have to chase the market. Rest is up to you, and you have to book profit when you found such type of things. So you can ride a huge profit, and you always stay in profit. This is today learning video, weekend video, and independence video. We can count it. Okay. So I hope everyone will do well in coming times. Good luck to everyone. Trade well, and when you are going to take a trade, you have to consult your financial advisor. Okay. All the best. Bye. Good luck.